Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to use YouTube video in shopping worlds. Log into the backend. Go to Marketing and Shopping Worlds. In Overview tab, click on Add button. Name your product element YouTube video and set position to 2. Check the active checkbox. Select your language from display settings. Then add your language to shop selection. Now go to Layout tab. Set mode to rows. Now click on Save Shopping World. Now go to Elements tab, and drag and drop the YouTube video to the Preview tab. Click on Edit. Go to YouTube video URL and copy the ID. Paste it to the ID section. Now check on Use HD videos. Click on Save. Click on Save Shopping World. Reload the page to see the changes. Welcome to Shop. Go to Config. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.